Hey, are you having trouble with the game file verification error in Genshin Impact when updating it on your PC? Well, no need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the game file verification error in Genshin Impact on your computer. So let's dive right in and sort out this error. Solution 1. First, clear your network configuration settings. To do this, first click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Next, right-click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, and then click on Yes. Now here, type netsh winsock reset and then hit Enter. And then type in ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. After that, type in ipconfig/release and then hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Next, type in netsh intip reset and then hit Enter. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, restart your computer and your router. Don't skip this step. After that, check if the error is gone. Solution 2. If you're still getting the error, try running the Genshin Impact launcher as an administrator. To do this, right-click on the Genshin Impact shortcut from your desktop. Then click on Properties from the context menu. After that, switch to the Compatibility tab. From here, tick the Run this program as administrator. Then click on Apply and then on OK to save these settings. Now check if the error is solved or not. Solution 3. If you're still getting the error, use an optimized DNS server. For this, open Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. Next, type in ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS server. After you find out which DNS server has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then on Ethernet. Next, click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. Now select Manual from here. After that, turn off IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the Preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to Alternate DNS. Here, type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS server. But if you're using 8.8.8.8 as your preferred DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save. Now you shouldn't be getting this error while updating Genshin Impact. So that's how you troubleshoot the game file verification error in Genshin Impact on your computer. If the video was useful, please hit the like button. And if you're still struggling with the error, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching!